Mom's house, a small yet deeply meaningful residence located in the rural town of Feira Nova in northeastern Brazil. Originally built in the 1980s using traditional adobe construction, this home carries decades of family history. Over the years, countless improvised additions slowly transformed it into a dense patchwork of spaces, functional, but lacking airflow, daylight, and a clear sense of spatial coherence. As the homeowner aged and began facing health challenges, the need for a thoughtful renovation became clear. The goal was not simply to modernize the house, but to create a healthier, brighter, and more dignified living environment, while preserving the deep emotional connection the resident had with the original structure. Studio Z approached the project with a profound respect for the past. Rather than demolish the old home, the team chose to retain its original adobe walls, celebrating the local building tradition. Their intervention focused on enhancing comfort, improving circulation, and restoring a sense of openness to the areas where daily life naturally unfolds. One of the most transformative moves was raising the ceiling height across part of the home, allowing for better cross-ventilation. A continuous band of ceramic breeze blocks, known locally as cabogos, was introduced along the western facade. These perforated bricks encourage natural airflow and reduce heat buildup, offering a passive cooling strategy essential to Brazil's warm climate. Inside, 5 small and underused rooms were removed to make way for a new social core. A generous living room now anchors the plan, seamlessly connected to an internal garden and a covered terrace. The terrace, shaded by precast concrete panels that double as built-in seating, becomes a flexible gathering space that blurs the line between indoors and outdoors. At the homeowner's request, the original facade wall was preserved. But it was reimagined with a new pattern of stacked ceramic bricks inspired by how local brickmakers display pieces for drying. This subtle detail becomes a tribute to the region's craft traditions. The base of the facade incorporates ceramic tiles typically used in cassava flour ovens, another quiet nod to the cultural identity of the town. The result is a home that honors its origins while embracing contemporary comfort. Mom's house proves that renovation doesn't have to erase the past. Instead, it can elevate it by combining vernacular materials, community craftsmanship, and practical low-cost solutions into a renewed, resilient living space. For homeowners, designers, and architects alike, Mom's House offers a powerful reminder: meaningful architecture isn't always about size or spectacle. Sometimes, it's about listening to the climate, to the community, and to the memories that already exist within the walls. This project shows how thoughtful design can restore dignity, warmth, and clarity to a place that has been loved for generations.